Welcome back to Gadget Auto World. Today, we're diving into one of the most important trends in the automotive industry, sustainability. In 2025, automakers are taking huge strides towards reducing their environmental footprint and creating vehicles that are not only better for the planet but also better for the driver. From electric vehicles to sustainable manufacturing practices, let's take a look at how automakers are embracing sustainability in 2025. The rise of electric vehicles. At the forefront of automotive sustainability is the electric vehicle. In 2025, nearly every major automaker has a fully electric model or plans to launch one in the near future. EVs have quickly become the go-to solution for reducing carbon emissions, with zero tailpipe emissions and increasing ranges on a single charge. From Tesla's innovative designs to legacy brands like Ford and General Motors ramping up their electric offerings, the shift to electric is undeniable. And with new players like Rivian and Lucid pushing boundaries, it's clear that electric vehicles aren't just a trend. They're the future of the automotive world. Green manufacturing practices. Sustainability doesn't stop with the vehicle itself. It extends to how it's made. In 2025, automakers are adopting more sustainable manufacturing practices than ever before. Many automakers are powering their factories with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels. Toyota, for example, is leading the way by using 100% renewable energy in many of its plants. Meanwhile, Ford is rolling out factories that focus on reducing waste and recycling materials used in production. And let's not forget about sustainable supply chains. Companies are now sourcing raw materials for their batteries in more ethical and eco-friendly ways, working to reduce the environmental impact of mining and production. The move towards sustainable materials. Another major trend in 2025 is the use of sustainable materials in vehicle design. Automakers are shifting away from traditional materials like leather and petroleum-based plastics in favor of plant-based, recycled, and more sustainable alternatives. For instance, BMW's 9-3 now uses 100% recycled materials for interior fabrics, while Mercedes-Benz is making strides with its green leather made from plant-based sources. And Tesla's new interiors are using innovative materials, such as recycled plastics and sustainably sourced fabrics, to reduce their environmental impact. Car-to-grid technology and energy efficiency. Sustainability isn't just about the cars themselves. It's also about how they interact with the world around them. Car-to-grid technology, which allows EVs to store and send energy back to the grid, is becoming a game-changer in 2025. This technology enables electric vehicles to act as mobile energy sources, contributing to grid stability and supporting the renewable energy infrastructure. Companies like Nissan and BMW are already introducing vehicles that allow owners to use their cars as power sources for their homes, reducing reliance on traditional electricity grids and increasing the use of renewable energy. Recycling and reuse in the automotive industry. Recycling and reusing are central to the future of the automotive industry. In 2025, automakers are focusing on how to extend the life cycle of their vehicles and reduce waste. Companies like Volkswagen are pioneering recycling techniques to recover valuable materials from old batteries and vehicle parts, ensuring they are repurposed for future production. Audi is also making significant strides in this area, implementing a closed-loop recycling system to reuse aluminum and steel from old cars, reducing the need for virgin materials and minimizing waste. Collaboration with renewable energy sources. Collaboration with renewable energy sources is another important aspect of automotive sustainability in 2025. Companies like Tesla are already building solar charging stations to power electric cars using clean, renewable energy. And automakers like Volvo are working closely with utility companies to make EV charging more sustainable by integrating it with local renewable energy grids. This creates a more seamless connection between clean energy production and consumption, helping to minimize the carbon footprint of every charge. Sustainability in the automotive world is no longer a distant goal. It's here in 2025. Automakers are embracing electric vehicles, greener manufacturing practices, sustainable materials, and innovative technologies that all contribute to a more sustainable future. And the best part? These changes are just the beginning. Thanks for tuning in to Gadget Auto World. If you're excited about the future of sustainable cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. What do you think about these sustainable innovations in the automotive world? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.